Good morning! Day 3, still in the lake. Can you guess time based on the weather right now? You'll not believe, but it's almost 10 a.m. So we have started off. We've taken the Shikara to the main gate and to the main road, and then from there we'll take a rickshaw to this place called Battamalu, from where we'll get the shared taxi to Gulmarg. For now, enjoying the last Shikara ride.
Here to Battamalu, he is leaving us to the shared cab. From shared cab, will take us to Tangmarg.
ना ठीक बस ये भी है. So we got a rickshaw, paid $200 from the lake gate number 17 to Battamalu, which is where you'll get the shared taxi. So we also got into a shared taxi, and the taxi will not take you directly to Gulmarg, it will take you to Tangmarg, and that's 40 kilometers, 1 hour from Srinagar, and it's 100 rupees per person. So, and from there 13 kilometers is Gulmarg. We'll have to switch cabs.
Gulmarg के लिए भैया शेयर टैक्सी चाहिए होगा ना, वहीं पे छोड़ेंगे ना.
So we've gotten off at Tangmarg. It is snowing crazily. There's ice on the road. So the vehicles here now will have to wear chain on the tire and go. Okay, so this is another thing. In winter, you will have to take a snow coat and boots, right? And these will cost you 250 to 350, and you'll have to rent it from here in Tangmarg and then give it back when on your way back to Srinagar. So we just found out that all the vehicles are stuck in Gulmarg because of fresh snowfall, and everybody here is waiting for their vehicles to pick them up. It's chaotic! Okay, so finally we got a cab from Tangmarg to go to Gulmarg. It's a chaotic morning in Tangmarg. Just take a look at how we are sitting behind the taxi, and do you see Sham's face? Right. So we found a family who had a taxi anyway, and we requested them to take us with them. That's how we found a taxi. So let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Take a look at this. This is fresh snow in Gulmarg. Welcome to Gulmarg. Oh my god, I am so happy. And this is our stay. We've got a cottage. Finally, I'm gonna give all the details in some time. Yes. So, as of December 23rd, Gulmarg is full. It's booked, and heavy influx of tourists here. You will not find any stay in winter. So if you are coming to Gulmarg in winter, in advance, book your stay. If not, there's a high chance that you will get looted big time. I mean, there's a very small budget cottage in general, and they quoted I think $8,000 for it. This is our stay currently, which is also a very budgeted one. We are paying 3,500 including breakfast and dinner. I'll show you. So this is a very budget stay cottages that we've got, right? It's just an attached bath, one small wardrobe and bed, but I think most importantly we have electric blanket, so it should be good enough for now. In the afternoon, if you have some time, then you can check out places around Gulmarg. There's Rani Temple, St. Mary's Church, the Drang waterfall, which you can probably visit on your way back to Srinagar. Also rent an ATV for 13 kilometers. It will be around 1800 bucks. You will be riding tandem and you can visit most of these places. Walking in gumboots is sort of both. Not feeling cold, but it has no grip. Wow, look at this. Wow, look at that. So this ends our day 1 in Gulmarg. Tomorrow morning at 10:30 is when the gondola ride will open. So we'll be ready and we'll take you on the gondola ride, the second longest and highest cable car in the world. Good morning! It's a very cold morning. We are off to the ticket counter of gondola. It's 10:30 a.m. Can you say? You can actually tell it's 10:30 a.m. Gloomy, but no snowfall predicted today. So first we thought we'll just walk because it's 1 kilometer to the gondola counter. But our hosts are going to just drop us. So let's go. Okay, so this is the ticket counter. There's one for the guide and one general. Normally they'll tell you it's going to be crowded and you'll have to stand in line and all that, which probably is true. But if you're staying the night and next morning as early as 10:30 if you come, it shouldn't be a problem. But as of today, which is December 24th, the gondola ride to phase 2 is shut because of continuous snowfall and bad weather. So we'll only be going to phase 1.
It's a big deal. And there are seats.
So when you come up, you'll see this is the line, and we've tried to come as early as possible. That's how big the line is. Chalo, chalo. There you go. The world's second largest gondola and the best in the country. It's heavy snowfall here in gondola phase 1. Look at that. There are thousands of people here. You can do sledging, you can take the ATV. There's a lot more things that you can do. All the way till that corner I can see people. Right now it's completely fogged up, but it's a great place for family, kids to enjoy snowfall and just have some fun. And this snowfall is just making it seem like a wonderland. Here are some of the snow activities that you can do in Gulmarg phase 1. So this brings us to the end of Gulmarg video, and I would definitely suggest Gulmarg as a beautiful wonderland you have to visit. There are 2 times in a year that you can visit. Once definitely in spring, when this whole place is going to have a lake, it's going to be green, you'll find so many flowers, and probably the only place where you'll find snow. But in winter, the whole Gulmarg is covered in snow. It looks like Narnia. Narnia looks nothing in front of it, I can bet you that. A lot of snow sports that you can do. Definitely must visit. But PS, it's a very expensive place, extremely expensive. Taxi, stay, food, everything is expensive. This cannot be done in a budget. So keep that in mind. Hope you enjoyed this video. Until next time.